What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over BTC, currently sitting at 71K, up 0.27 on the day. Market cap 1 trillion 44 B. 25 volume 30 billion. So if we look at the chart, I think we may pull back a little bit here. We have bearish divergence. Of course, we can push a little bit higher before seeing a pullback, but as of right now, we have a nice five-way move to the upside, so we may pull back to this target zone 67.7, 69.2 before continuation, but we may push a little bit higher before pulling back. If we look at this next chart, we broke out of this bull flag, so if we do pull back, what you may see is a little bit of a retest before potentially seeing continuation back to the upside, heading up towards 87K, which is the target of the wave 5. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. Technical analysis and trading doesn't have to be difficult. You can simplify it and do really well. So we have some signs of potential pullback, but if we do put in one more higher high, very possible before we see that pullback. But we definitely could see a little bit of pullback from here and potentially retest this bull flag. We'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, gang, we're currently in 2 ongoing trades. The market's been moving really slow this week. But if you want completely free access to my trade signal, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit, send me email, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. Here's our monthly results for May right here. For my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, I'm also trading Forex, absolutely crushing it, hit all our take profits this week. And I have the monthly results posted right here. This is how much you would make depending on your account size. So trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Just send me an email. If you don't want to go that route, sign up through the Patreon, 10 bucks a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.